All right, today's game one starter as we kick off the series against Jefferson. Looks like we're going to get Gabe Silva, a freshman. He's 5'4". Yes, that's correct. He's 5'4". Kevin Allen towers over this young man. Um, he's got good numbers on the year, 21 innings pitched. He's given up 18 hits, only 10 earned, struck out 23, so a little bit more than one an inning. He's only walked 13. And he's got a 4.22 ERA. He has pitched against Lincoln, Westchester, Wilmington, Bridgeport, and Chestnut Hill so far this season. He started last week in their midweek against Chestnut Hill, and he beat Wilmington and Warrington in game one against the Cats. Don't have much on synergy, and we're kind of flying blind as far as a chart, but let's look at some video here on Gabe. So here's Gabe. Yes, he is 5'4". He's he's short and he's going to be tough. Fastball looks firm. I don't have a velo on it. I'm going to guess at least 86, 88, 87, 89. Comes out of his hand really well. The tricky thing with him is because he is so short, and we watch when he lands. See if I can roll this back real quick and pause it when he lands. But his release height, he's going to be kind of underneath the baseball, and it's going to take off on him. See if we can get it here. So look for that window. But fastball has a ton of ride, so we're going to have to really try to stay on top of it. Everything that I've seen so far in watching him last night, he's going to want to attack with the fastball, and he'll throw a little like Sturvey slider off of it. Real quick arm action. Fastball commands kind of all over. We really got to make sure that we get him in the zone. But and we're gonna have to have good conversations early because this is the best video I have off of him. But everything that I'm seeing looks like an airplane type fastball, and we're gonna have to try to stay on top of the baseball. If we try to hit the bottom third, I think we're gonna swing under. Tight slider there. Our man Larry in the middle of the field. See if we can get one of his sliders here. Here's a couple sliders coming up.